Hi friends, welcome back to Perfect Study channel. In this video, I will continue the data interpretation questions of CAT 1993. I have already made one video of the first set of DI for this year. Here I will take up the next set. Here on the top right hand corner, I am giving the link for the DI playlist. Let's start. Directions for questions 5 to 8. In the previous set already I have covered question number 1 to 4. Now this is a caselet. Ghosh Babu has recently acquired 4 companies, namely ArcNet Technologies, Babu Enter Transport, BAT, Charles Enter Taylor, CAT, and Daud Akbar Transistors, DAT. So these are the 4 companies: ANT, BAT, CAT, DAT. When the results of the companies for the year 92-93 were placed before him, he found a few interesting things about them. So it should be small letter. While the profits of CAT and DAT were same, sales of CAT were same as those of BAT. Profits of ANT were 10% of its sales, whereas profits of BAT were 20% of its sales. While the total expenses of CAT were 5 times its profits, sales of DAT were 3 times its profits. The total expenses of CAT were rupees 10 lakh. Total expenses of ANT were 10% less than those of CAT. Profits are defined as the difference between sales and total expenses. So let's solve this particular set by making a table here. Okay, so now let's first jot down whatever absolute values are given. The total expenses of CAT were rupees 10 lakh. So CAT expenses are equal to 10 lakh. And all my figures are in terms of lakhs. The total expenses of CAT is 10 lakh. The total expenses of ANT were 10% less than CAT. Now if CAT is 10, ANT expense will be how much? It will be 10% less than CAT. That means ANT expense should be 9 lakh. Now let's come to this line. The total expenses of CAT were 5 times its profits. So if total expenses of CAT are 5 times profits, profit must be equal to 2. And if profit is equal to 2, that means obviously the sales must be 12, right? Now what else data is given here? Let's figure it out. Here it says profits of ANT were 10% of sales. If profit is 10% of sales, that means expenses are what? 90% of sales, because your sales is simply broken up into profit and expense. There is nothing else. So if my profit is equal to 10%, expense must be 90%. If 9 represents 90%, 10 will represent 100%. So sales must be 10, and that means profit must be equal to 1. That is for ANT. Now it is also mentioned that the sales of CAT were same as that of BAT. So if CAT sales is 12, BAT sales must also be 12. It is also given profit of BAT was 20% of its sales. So 20%, 10% is 1.2, 20% will be equal to 2.4, and the balance 9.6, that will be my expenditure. Alright, now let's come to DAT. Now regarding DAT, it is given the profit of CAT and DAT were same. So CAT profit, if it is 2, DAT profit must also be 2. And it is also given here sales of DAT were 3 times its profit. So if profit is 2, sales of DAT will be 2 into 3, 6. That means expenditure will be 4. Okay, so this was a relatively simple caselet. I hope you also found it quite simple. Let's answer the questions. Which company had the lowest sales? Obviously that is DAT. Next one. Which company had the highest total expenses? Let's see. Who has highest total expenses? That is CAT. So here answer should be CAT. Which company had the lowest profits? Which company is having lowest profit? That is this one, that is ANT. So lowest profit ANT. Last one. Which company had the highest profit? So which company is having highest profit? Highest profit is going to BAT. So these are your answers. Okay, so this was the caselet solution, and this was just a short video. I always make one separate video for every set, so I will end it here. And if you liked it, please don't forget to click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, bell icon to get the latest notifications. Give your comment and feedback in the comment box, and as usual, check out our Facebook group link and my email ID in the description box. Okay, I'll meet you in the next DI set. Thanks a lot.